Greetings! I present the Rekin 3D Studio system. 4K and overload. Today I will present one of the Rekin system's new features. Before we start working with 3D production or light production application, in the Startup module we have to select an appropriate video output format. We do this using a drop-down list located below the buttons. This time we have added new output formats labeled 2160p. They are characterized by 4 times the number of pixels compared to full HD resolution used previously. It is a resolution of 3840 by 2160. We can choose from among 3 progressive scan operating modes, that is full frame frequency P25, P29,97 and P30. I will choose 2160 P30 format and press Start Production button. We will obtain this resolution at the Rekin card's program output after starting the system and loading the production module. On the second output preview we get a resolution of 1080p30. Up to 4 signal sources in full HD format, that is 1080p60, can be connected to the Rekin system's input card. One of the HDMI inputs for the card type 2 HDMI Plus to SDI supports the 4K format up to 2160p30 resolution. For the input card type 4 HDMI we have 2 4K inputs to the 2160p30 format. I will connect a 1080p60 signal to the HDMI 2 input. The same type of signal, that is 1080p60, will be plugged into SDI 1 input. The last input remains also with 1080p60 format. If you connect another source to the card's input, an overload graphics will appear in the input preview. Connecting one signal in 4K format amounts to the need to process twice as much data as with 1080p60. Hence, it is possible to use one 2160p30 format signal and 2 1080p60 format signals. Throughput of the inputs is checked each time a source cable is plugged in and a correct communication with the system occurs. Priority is given to the source, a signal of which is detected first. If an overload input appears in the preview, it is necessary to physically disconnect that source from the Rekin system. You can change a physical input's type by disconnecting it and plugging in another one. Thank you.
Rekin. Keen on record.